brief email history. Email itself is much older than even ARPANET or the Internet. It was never actually invented. It simply evolved from very simple beginnings. Early email was just a small advance on what we know these days as a file directory. It just put a message in another user's directory in a spot where they could see it when they logged in. Simple as that. Just like leaving a note on someone's desk. Probably the first email system of this type was Mailbox, used at Massachusetts Institute of Technology from 1965. Another early program to send messages on the same computer was called SND-MSG. Some of the mainframe computers of this era might have had up to 100 users. Often, they use what are called dumb terminals to access the mainframe from their work desk. Dumb terminals just connected to the mainframe. They had no storage or memory of their own. They did all their work on the remote mainframe computer. Before Internet working began, therefore, email could only be used to send messages to various users of the same computer. Once computers began to talk to each other over networks, however, the problem became a little more complex. We needed to be able to put a message in an envelope and address it. To do this, we needed a means to indicate to whom letters should go that the electronic postis understood. Just like the postal system, we need a way to indicate an address. This is why Ray Tomlinson is credited with inventing email in 1972. Like many of the Internet inventors, Tomlinson worked for Bolt, Beranek, and Newman as an ARPANET contractor. He picked the @ symbol from the computer keyboard to denote sending messages from one computer to another. So then, for anyone using Internet standards, it was simply a matter of nominating name of the user at name of the computer. Internet pioneer John Postel was one of the first users of the new system, and is credited with describing it as a nice hack. It certainly was, and it had lasted to this day. Despite what the World Wide Web offers, email remains the most important application of the Internet and the most widely used facility it has. It's really no surprise that now more than 3 billion people internationally use email for some purpose or another. Gmail alone has quoted over 300 million users just a few years ago. Even crazier is that millions of email users send hundreds of billions of messages every single day.